Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7775 Hallock Road in Bloomfield.
This is a spectacular hilltop country retreat with over 14.5 acres and 30-mile views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is fantastic open country living with a great room. Featuring a designer kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and Corian countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with beautiful hardwood floors. And a living area with 22-foot wood cathedral ceilings, a gas stone fireplace, and deck access with country views. Plus an adjacent full bathroom, laundry, and first floor bedroom.
This upstairs owner suite has it all, featuring a spa bathroom and a spacious bedroom with a balcony and those 30-mile views.
Talk about an ultimate finished walkout lower level with an Adirondack style featuring a living and media area with deck access, a sitting area with custom shelving, a beautiful barn door leading to a powder room, and an office or potential bedroom. This is a little slice of country heaven with an entertainment-sized wraparound deck with 30-mile views. A lower deck for enjoying the shade. A fire pit. And a charming fish pond. Perfect for the outdoor enthusiast. With a 1,400 square foot outbuilding with room for 3 or more horse stalls. And over 14.5 acres with hiking trails leading to the scenic pond.
At the end of the day, you'll find peace and tranquility with the spectacular sunsets. Bloomfield is a great place to live.
It's rich in history with many things to do. All located near Canandaigua Lake and Bristol Mountain. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7775 Hallock Road in Bloomfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!